Hi guys, I am Rishabh Chatji and in this video I'll be sharing 5 tips to reach 100k subscribers fast. So recently my channel crossed 100k subscribers and my channel took 5 years to reach that. But during my YouTube career, I noticed some of the things that some of the other channels did because of which they actually have already passed me, or they are growing very fast. So yeah, I thought let me share whatever I learned, so that if you have a channel you can improve and get to 100k subscribers fast. And if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, as it will help out this video to reach more people and maybe someone else might be benefited from this. So, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And now let's get started. Please do like my Facebook page and also follow me on Instagram. So the first way to reach 100k subscribers is, if you are starting a new channel, is that you should have a good friend support. And by friend support I mean, suppose you are making a channel about automobiles, then your friends should be also interested. You should have some friends who are interested in this automobiles, so that they'll be able to watch the video. Now at first it might be that you will be sending the videos to everyone to subscribe like. That is also a good thing, but the problem with that is only the first time they'll watch one video or two videos and they'll subscribe, but after that they won't watch the videos. That's what I have noticed. So only if you have friends who are actually interested in bikes or cars or something like that, the topic that you're making the video, they should be interested in that, then only they'll be coming back and they can also share your opinion and their feedback about what you can do. So first way is you should have a good friend support. So if you have a good amount of friends who are interested in the topic of videos that you make, then that will definitely give you an initial boost. The second one is the subscriber support. Now this is also very important, because as you are growing, the first getting noticed in the first 1 or 2 videos will be difficult. You might have made already 20, 30, 40, 50 videos and you are not getting many views, but in that there will be one video where you will get suddenly a boost of views. Okay, and after you get the boost of views, you will see there will be some people who will come back and watch your recent videos. Now the main thing that you should notice is that they should keep coming back again and again. Now when they start coming back again and again, YouTube realizes that there are a bunch of people who are actually coming back to see this channel again. So that's when it starts promoting more. Now this hasn't happened with my channel, I don't know why, but in every phase there were a few people, and after every phase those people, I don't know what happened, but they stopped commenting. So I remember 1.5 years back there were a few set of people who used to comment continuously almost that good video, this could have been better, that could have been better, but I don't know, now I can't see them actually commenting anymore. So you should actually, the main thing is you should have a good support from your subscribers, because it actually helps a lot to increase and boost the views on your videos, and also help your channel faster. Because the moment you have a good support, suppose you have 5,000 subscribers and in that you have 1,000 people who come back again and they are actually commenting. There are around 1,000 comments, or 500, 300, 400 comments, and 1,000 people are continuously watching and they are liking your videos. So actually that helps a lot in boosting your channel views on that video, and also boosting your channel in terms of reaching more people. So that if you can master that art, then you are gonna grow very fast. This is what I've noticed, that is very important. Unfortunately in my case I haven't been able to do, I don't know what am I doing wrong exactly, but that support has not been as strong as I would have liked. So that is the second thing. If you can get support from your subscribers, then you are gonna grow very fast. Third thing is support on other social media platforms. So people who are actually subscribed to and are watching your videos on YouTube, they should follow you on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and wherever you are. If you are able to convince them to come to that social media platform and like or follow or whatever, then you have a strong base in other social media too also to grow. Because suppose if you have a good following on Facebook, then what that means is, suppose you share your video on Facebook, those people who have actually liked your page, they will, if they like the video, they'll share it on Facebook or they'll like it. So the moment they like it, you have a better reach on Facebook to reach their friends. Like if they like, then their friends will be able to see the video and what is this guy doing, and they'll be able to, like, it'll reach their friends, and if their friends like it, then they will like your page and then come to your channel and they'll subscribe. So that is one more thing. If you have a good following on other social media platforms, then through that also you can grow your channel very fast. Instagram is also one more platform where actually if you have a good following, then after 10k followers you will be able to like directly send the people from Instagram to YouTube. That's a very good feature. I've seen many people doing that. They have a lot more Instagram followers and sending the Instagram followers to YouTube. Unfortunately, I haven't been good in that. If you see my Instagram page, Instagram has only like 1400 followers, whereas the YouTube one has 100k plus. So if you want to help me grow on Instagram, it's @RC Media House. Do follow me on Instagram. And the same goes for Facebook too. I haven't been very good in Facebook too, because if you see my Facebook also page has around just 800 likes. So I have been growing almost organically only on YouTube. So it has been very slow. If you can grow on other social media platforms, then it will be much faster. So after all this, the fourth tip is you should be consistent on YouTube, because only if you are consistent and making videos regularly, then only YouTube will suggest your videos to others. Now there is a question that people have, is that quality versus quantity. Now YouTube favors both. How? Because suppose you have quantity but somewhat quality, I won't say it's highest, it depends. There are some people who will only talk in front of the camera and they can get millions of views, and then there are some people who will add B-roll, they will edit for so many hours, and then they might get 1 million views. So it depends on the type of content you are making, but it should be useful to some people. Now you might say that because of my quality it is taking me more time, but the thing is YouTube favors people who upload regularly. So if you don't, then you are at a disadvantage, because then the algorithm won't be picking you up like often, and yeah, then the growth also will be slower. So if you upload regularly, that's gonna be very much beneficial for your YouTube channel to grow faster. The fifth tip, now this does not depend mainly on you but also depends on your luck, that is getting sponsors and opportunities. Because suppose you're at say 30,000, 40,000 subscribers, and you get opportunities like sponsorships that actually boost your confidence a lot and also makes you think a lot more creatively. That's what I've seen. Opportunities also one more thing, like they call you for some event, like they're taking you on some kind of travel like suppose in my case, if they take me on some kind of travel to some other place, then actually like helps in getting more audience, because whenever you get called for some opportunities or sponsorship, it's something unique, at least it should be, that's what I'm hoping. Then it actually like attracts a lot more audience, and also it helps you boost your confidence that yes, now at least I have some kind of business way of expanding, and yeah, it actually makes you think creatively. Unfortunately, even in this field I haven't been very successful, but I'm hoping that yes, maybe in future I might get opportunities because the thing is that I've seen myself too, if you don't get opportunities, it kind of brings your confidence level down, that because you might see some other competitor is getting sponsors, whereas you are not able to get. But yes, if you are able to get, that means 100k subscribers is gonna be soon. And even in the last tip I would like to add is your belief, whether you can do it or not, because the first thing is that you should believe that you can do it. Now fast is something relative, as I've told you in this video how to reach 100k subscribers fast on YouTube. Now fast depends. It might be that your fast you have reached in 1 year, there might be who have reached in 1 month, and there might be people like me who took 5 years. So fast depends relatively. If you reach, oh, that guy was almost about to hit. Anyways, so you have to have belief that you will reach it, and once you can believe it, it will be much more faster. But if you lose confidence at the start only, that no, I'm growing too slowly, I can't reach 100k now, then it's gonna be difficult. Because if you don't have belief that you're gonna reach 100k, then reaching 100k will be difficult, because you won't be thinking in that mind that I need to make this kind of video to reach. And yeah, so always believe that you can do it, then at least mentally you will be confident that you will be able to produce more videos. So well, these were my 5 tips to grow to reach 100k subscribers on YouTube fast. If you want to add any other points, you can comment below. And as I've told you before, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then please do subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, comment below what you want to see. And follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Instagram is RC Media House, and Facebook YouTuber Rishabh Chatterjee, or @the Rishabh Chatterjee. Both of these will work. And yeah, if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. This is Rishabh Chatterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.